A lot of places have a truss facility. A lot of places have a lumberyard. The fact that we blended these two together on the same site is not done all the time.
Griffin Lumber and Hardware, we have 8 retail locations. We have 3 manufacturing locations. The Specialty Structural Products is actually our manufacturing facilities that we build trusses at. One of the reasons that we built a new building in St. Mary's was to extend our product offerings into the Florida market. We knew that we wanted to be on very close to the Florida line, but we wanted the business to actually be situated in Georgia.
This facility has everything. It has manufacturing, it has industrial, it has distribution, and it has retail. So from a lumber perspective, they manufacture in-house, they have bulk materials that they sell out and distribute, as well as they have retail customers that come into their retail store.
What size building do we need? What type of inventory are we putting in there? All of these questions are asked by Clint up front, so he can figure out from a design perspective, what do we need to build? Do we need to build a 30,000 square foot building? Do we need to build a 50,000 square foot building? So I really trust CT Darnell and Sunbelt Rack in that perspective of what should we create.
The majority of my time is involved in the front end. On the truss side, we're working with the owner, we're working with the equipment company, MyTech. They're the leader in the industry as far as truss equipment and software. Working with them on equipment placement, making sure we have all the correct clearances, the right electrical schematics when we're moving through electrical design, and making sure all the openings are in their correct locations for flow through in and out of raw material to finished product. And that's a three-pronged partnership, working together, looking at the overall truss layout and the truss production, a roof truss, and in this case, floor trusses as well.
CT Darnell and Sunbelt Rack, we actually hire them as a contractor as well. From the grading, from the site development, from the building erection, from the finishing, site work, the civil engineering, they're managing all of that. So it makes my job easy to be able to continue my priorities as a president within the company. I can really rely on CT Darnell, Sunbelt Rack, and his staff to finish the project.
I'm most proud that the customer is happy at the end of the day, and I know that what we've built is going to be a facility that's going to stand the test of time, and it's going to let them perform in the market to their expectation and beyond, that they have space to grow within the facility. So I know that this is going to be a success story, not only for Specialty Structural and Griffin Lumber, but also for CT Darnell. That makes me very proud.
I wouldn't change a thing from this point forward. You know, CT Darnell and Sunbelt Rack, they are our contractor for as long as I'm around with Griffin anyway.